Imagine this. You are at a busy market in Ghana. Suddenly, fire, smoke, and someone is hurt. Do you know the English words to get help? Welcome to English Through African Stories. I am your teacher. And today we learn English through a real story. In this story, you will hear 12 emergency phrases. Phrases like, help me, call an ambulance, and I'm bleeding. Let's get started. It is a bright Saturday morning in Kumasi. The market is full of people and noise. Amma is selling mangoes. Then a loud crack. Smoke. Flames. A man near the fabric stalls shouts, help me! He is on the ground. His leg is trapped under a heavy wooden pole. Amma runs to him. She can see he is hurt. I'm hurt, the man cries. I'm bleeding. There is dark red blood on his leg. Amma looks at her phone. She calls her friend Kofi. Call the fire department, she shouts. Call an ambulance. Kofi calls the fire department. Then he calls an ambulance. Call the police, says an old woman nearby. Kofi calls the police too. The man on the ground is sweating. His face is very hot. I have a fever, he says. I have a headache. He closes his eyes. I feel sick. Amma holds his hand. I need a doctor, the man whispers. I need medicine. Then the man says something important. I'm allergic. He stops. He cannot finish the word. He points to the smoke. He is allergic to smoke. Amma moves him away from the fire. She fans his face with her cloth. 10 minutes later, the ambulance arrives. The firefighters arrive. The police arrive. The market is loud and frightened, but help is here. The doctor looks at the man. He is safe, she says. You helped him. Well done. Amma smiles. Her hands are shaking. But she helped. In an emergency, she knew the words, and the words saved a life. If you want another story to improve your English, the next one is already waiting. Just tap one on the screen. Together, the market-goers helped each other as the fire was put out. Even in danger, they stayed strong as a community. To recap, these are the words you learned today. Help me. Call the police. Call an ambulance. Call the fire department. I need a doctor. I'm hurt. I have a headache. I feel sick. I have a fever. I need medicine. I'm allergic, and last but not least, I'm bleeding. Leave us a comment using any of these emergency phrases you learned in this English lesson. If you want another story to improve your English, the next one is already waiting. Just tap one on the screen. See you in the next English lesson on English Through African Stories, ETAS.